Hi everyone, my name is Eva and today I would like to tell you more about our product database and how to use it efficiently. The product database will help you find products to sell on Amazon by applying certain filters to the database of already existing products that are selling well on Amazon. Here you can see the different categories, here are the different filters that you can apply, here you can see the standard or oversized product filter, here are the different types of sellers. Here you have the option of saving the filters and using them again at a different time. And lastly, you have the keyword search right here. So let's go ahead and do an example. Let's say I want a product between $19 and $50. We're gonna leave net profit and rank empty for now. For the amount of sales, I want at least 250. We're gonna leave out estimated revenue, but for the amount of reviews, I would like maximum 60, which indicates lower competition. As for the categories, I'm gonna deselect all of them first, and then I'm gonna select a couple of categories where I think would be a good amount of easy to make products. So let's select arts and crafts and sewing, clothing, shoes and jewelry, home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, office products, patio, lawn and garden, and sports and outdoors. And then we'll hit search. So now you can see the listed products that fit your filters and characteristics. There are many different filters and combinations of filters that you can try. So for instance, another method could be to search for products that are higher in sales but are lower in quality, meaning there's a great opportunity to tackle the competition by offering the same product, however with higher quality. So for this method, let's look for products that are at least selling 600 times per month, but have a rating lower than 3. And again, a list of potential products comes up. There are numerous ways to find profitable products among the product database. Best is to play around until you find the perfect filters that work best for you. Remember, you can easily add any of these products to the product tracker by clicking this button right here, letting you keep track of the product's data such as price, ratings, and so on. That was it for today's quick tutorial on our product database. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more and good luck with your product research.